Welcome to another hashtag quiz tutorial. In this tutorial, it's a bit of a problem solver. We've got so many ways that your guests can join the game that we want to show you in a video format of how it all works. So first off, we're now in the lobby. The lobby is where the majority of your players will join the game. So let me just get one team into the lobby so we can see what that looks like. And we will accept them into the game. So Simon's now joined the game and we've got a few options. We can either join or we can kick them out or we can accept all if you've got quite a few people. But because I'm going to show you three different ways of how people join the game, we're just going to click Simon to join. Okay, so let's start the game. Simon's in the quiz and now I'm on the first page and somebody else wants to join the game. So when somebody else wants to join it and you're in gameplay, you'll see up here a big red button. Now we've made it a big red button that flashes so that you can see it a little bit easier. So once you click that, it'll let you know who is your late joiner and they'll be in your results table. So let me just accept them in. Okay, now that's the second way that you can accept players into the game. There's also a third way, which I'll show you just now. It's that if you've missed the big red flashing button and you've missed it for a period of time, and let me just start the timer. So we missed out the third team currently, and we've given all of the answers for all of the scores for that particular question for the teams that were already playing. Now I'm going to hit next question. However, it now gives me an extra notification telling me that I do have players who are waiting to join the game. So please see my results table to accept or reject. So let's click on OK and then we can accept them. So there should be no excuses for you not realizing that there's a player coming to join your game. Everything's been massively overthought out, so there's many ways to do it. So that's how you get players into the game, by the three routes. The first is the lobby, the second is the big red button, and even if you missed that, the third is when you try and play the next question, we'll send you a notification to say that you've got a player waiting to join the game. It could be simpler. Happy quizzing, and don't forget to subscribe to hashtag quiz, and we'll see you in the quiz. Thanks for watching.